Hello students, welcome to RHchemistry. So in today's class, in the last class, if you remember, in the second September shift 1 paper, I have solved up to 15 questions. So today I will discuss another 8 questions which I have got it from the students. So, and already I told you in the last video, all these are memory based questions. Memory based questions means, remember, students will remember those questions and will come back after the exams. They will explain that and will write those questions, which means there may be some mistakes here and there with the answer or with the questions or with the options also. But one thing what you have to do is, and this will help for the upcoming students, those who are writing JEE main or the NEET exam, only thing what you have to concentrate as a student is that what type of questions were asked and how you have to approach that particular question. On this part you have to be more concentrated compared to any other part. There may be some mistakes will be there and the options will be wrong. All these things will be there, but you can easily understand the difficulty level of the paper from this particular video. Yes. Now, the first question is 16th question. Find the number of chiral centers in the penicillin. Here also, I don't know whether they have given the penicillin structure or not. If you have written this exam shift 1 paper, then you can comment that in the comment box. If they have given the structure, then it is easy to do that. If they have not given the structure, it is very difficult for the students to remember the penicillin structure, because they have to perfect with PCM, and also this penicillin structure or DDT structure. These structures are very difficult, my dear students, I will tell you. But if they ask this type of question, means you have to be ready for that. There is no other way. Fine. If they are given the structure, fine, very easy to understand. NH here. So this is the one chiral center, because one hydrogen is there. This is the one chiral center, and this is the one chiral center, and this is the one chiral center. So integer type of question. Answer for this question is 3. 3 chiral centers are there. Then benzylamine may be alkylated as shown here, right? So CH5CS2NH to RX, CH5CS to NHR. Which of the following alkyl halide is best suited for this reaction through SN1? They have given SN1 mechanism. SN1 mechanism means, so the carbocation which is more stable, so that can undergo this reaction very easily. So out of these 3 carbocation, if you see here methyl, here benzyl, here phenyl, and here ethyl, and here it is benzyl. So the answer for this question is benzyl, because benzyl carbocation is more stable. The third question, what is the product of reaction of ammonia with bleaching powder? So very simple reaction it is also actually. Ammonia with the bleaching powder, if I write ammonia reacts with bleaching powder, that is CaOCl2, give rise to, remember, CaCl2. So plus H2O plus nitrogen gas is released. So in this nitrogen gas is released in this particular case. So the answer for this question is A. Fourth flotation process, very simple. So sulfide ore, that is the one which can be concentrated by fourth flotation process. Which method is used for preparation of colloidal sol? Colloidal sol, remember, Mons process is purification of the, that too it will comes under, remember, this general principles isolation of element chapter, and it is comes under surface chemistry, no relation at all. Van Acker method also. Hoops process, it is also, remember, it is extraction of the aluminium, and Briggs arc method is the answer. So Briggs arc method we will use to prepare copper sols or this gold sol, silver sol, platinum sol, metal sols, like that. Then 21st question, a compound on heating A, very simple, very important question, and you can write that confusion. Remember, compound A on heating gives gas B, which is major constituent of air. So B on heating with hydrogen to give basic nature compound. The compound A cannot be, see this one very important, cannot be they are asking. So what will happen? I will tell you with this. Remember, this is the best preparation. Thermal decomposition of sodium azide will give rise to N2. Remember, N2 plus Na. So Na is B. N2 is B. Right? So B, when it react with hydrogen to form NH3, which is basic in nature. So remember, N2 is prepared from this also. NH4NO2 also you are going to get N2 plus H2O. This also you are going to get N2 plus Cr2O3 plus H2O, which means this is the only one we will not get that N2. So here you are going to get PbO plus NO2 plus O2. So because of that reason, answer for this question is lead nitrate. Then very simple question, very important. So many times you have solved in the previous year questions. So remember, 3 moles of AgCl is obtained. From this 3 moles of AgCl is obtained means definitely 3 Cl should be outside the coordination pair, right? So 3 Cl is outside the coordination pair. Which one? So definitely answer is B. Uncertainty in the position is given. Then the uncertainty in its velocity they are asking. Yes, the formula is, remember, delta V is equal to H divided by 4 pi, so M into delta X, right? So substitute H value 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34. This H value and H value also they may have given. Fine, you have to remember. Divided by, remember, so 4 into 3.14, that is pi, into mass of the particle given 0.25. But remember always, wherever H will be there in the numerator, mass should be in kg. So kg means 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 3 I will write into. So delta X is 10 to the power minus 5 as it is you write. Right? Now you can see in this particular case, simplification takes fraction of time, remember. So 4 3s are 12, 6 1s are 6, 2s are 12, 0.25 into 2 is 0.5, 1 by 0.5 is 2. So 2 into 10 to the power, so only one option left actually. So fine, minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 plus 8 minus 34 plus 8 is 26. So minus 26 is the answer. So the answer for this question is B. And we have not expected such easy questions will be asked in the JEE main. Whether this will be exactly asked in the JEE main or it is given by the students, that you have to confirm after NTA has given the question paper. Whenever NTA will release, then only you have to see. But definitely they have given means they have asked such a type of questions. Which of the following molecule undergo retention after nucleophilic attack by OH minus? So one thing is very simple. Retention, remember, OH minus they have given SN1 or SN2, that you have to remember. SN1 and SN2 is not given, but they have given this is primary, right? This is secondary, this is primary, and this is benzyl, right? So in such case, what you have to do is, so in SN1, remember always SN2 reaction, always there will be Walden inversion, we call it as Walden inversion. It may be alkyl halide which is having, you can say, chiral center, or which may not have chiral center. The result is inversion only, right? But in case of the SN1, remember, if there is no chiral center, that is the retention or inversion may take place. But remember here, nucleophilic retention they have given means, out of all this, the 50% retention and 50% inversion, that is about, remember, racemization which can take place, that is definitely by the stable carbocation. So stable carbocation plus, remember, chiral center. In such questions, whenever there is a chiral center, you go on searching that particular option, right? If it is not there, then you could have think in different way. But chiral center, whether it is there or not, if you see, there is a chiral center here. So the answer for this question is 24th, that is B. So these are the 24 questions which I have got it from the students shift 1. So in the next video, I am going to discuss about the shift 2 chemistry paper. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.